Hey guys, welcome back to the channel today. In today's video, I'm going to show you a really neat site where you can make some whole lot of extra money for you and your family and do it pretty quickly and easily. Okay, so stick around. We'll be right back here in just a few seconds. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel today. I'm Kevin Lehner with freedommotivator.com, and if this is your first time here and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, or if you've been here and you still haven't yet subscribed to the channel, reach down there below and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when we upload new videos. Okay? Alright, and also if this is your first time here and you don't know what we do here, what we do is we make how-to videos, general value videos, affiliate marketing videos, and once in a while we'll even throw in a motivational video for you too as well. Okay, and in today's video, with that said, in today's video I'm going to show you a good site where you can get hooked up with and be able to make some good quick money just by reviewing websites. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on this. I'm going to come over here to my browser. And the site we're talking about today is called Usertesting. Usertesting, and up here in the address bar you see it's usertesting.com. Okay, and what they do is they test websites and apps, and you can do this on computer or phone. And you'll test the apps for like just watching like 20-minute video or whatever, and they'll pay you up to $60 per test. And they'll also pay you by PayPal, which I'll show you this here as we go down through this. What this site does here, like I said, is it's companies that hire this site, and you can see there's a few of them right here. For people to that have their companies that have their websites, so people to test them and to make sure that they're good and user friendly for the people that come to the websites. And if the people who test them, such as yourself that may be working for this company here, you decide that it's not very user-friendly or whatever, they'll take your suggestions and then modify their website to make their website a little bit more user-friendly for people that come and visit. So there's a lot of companies that are doing this now that want to have their sites, I guess you could say, maximized to the best user-friendly capability that the site can be. All right, and they talk about a little bit about it right here, and so forth. When they come down, it's an insight platform that helps you close the empathy gap, target your audience, engage and empathize. I can't pronounce it right. Empathize, and discover insights and share your learnings. And they scale across all kinds of different teams, such as product, design, and UX of different designs. I'm not sure what UX means. Maybe user interface issues or something, or I suppose it has to do with coding or something like that. And then marketing, and then executives, and so on and so forth with that. And they are a proud partner of 48 of the top 100 brands in the world. As you can see here, that's Adobe, eBay, Facebook, Procter & Gamble, Wayfair, the Home Depot, and a few of these other ones that are pretty, like JetBlue, Prudential, and Expedia, and so on and so forth. And just this site tells you a little bit more about it here on it that you can come and check out. And I won't get into this because this is more for companies that want to hire Usertesting.com to have people like you and I that are working with this company test their websites and their applications and stuff. All right, so if we come down here and we click on, let's see here, we come to, should be a way up, yeah, right up here it is at the top. I missed it. It's get paid to test right here. That's what we're interested in. Okay, and we click on that, and that brings us over here, and it's pretty easy to sign up. All it takes is a good email address right here, and it's a quick sign up. Check their box here that you agree with their terms of use, and you can read those in the privacy policy right here as well too. Okay, and anyways, basically just you visit a website or an application, and you complete a set of tasks and you speak your thoughts about the site or application, and then you get paid. All right, so here's how it works. It says get paid $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete. Usertesting pays you to visit websites or apps complete with a set of tasks and to speak your thoughts aloud into their platform. There's a platform that here in a moment I'll show you how to download their software and so on and so forth, and then we'll go through that. It's on the frequently asked questions here. And here's some of the like New York Times, Huffington Post, Lifehacker, Wall Street Journal giving their testimonies, because apparently they use this company to test out their websites and applications as well. And more than 700,000 tests taken by users for companies like these that you see here and many more. And it says now here, what do you need to get started? Right here. It says you need a PC or Mac, an internet connection, and a microphone. You'll need an iPhone, iPad, Android phone, or Android tablet if you'd like to take mobile tests. You need the ability to download their testing software, like I was mentioning there earlier. And then you have to be at least 18 years old to do this. Ability to speak your thoughts aloud in English. And it says, how much money can I make? That's what we're interested in, right? Okay. And while user testing is a great way to earn a few extra dollars on the side, it won't make you rich. It's a number of opportunities you receive will depend on a number of factors, such as your demographics and your quality rating. So if the better you are at it, it's like anything, the more practice you get, the better you are at it, the more jobs that you'll get, more opportunities to make more money with this. Okay. And how do you get paid? You get paid by PayPal. It says you must have a PayPal account and live in a country that can receive PayPal money transfers. And you'll receive your payment exactly 7 days after completing a website or application test. And it says this waiting period allows us to ensure the quality of all the recordings. Okay, and then down here it says they're accepting testers from basically all over the world, and it covers just literally, as you can see, pretty much everywhere in the world as we flip down through here, all the countries. I'd say just about everywhere, as long as you don't live on an atoll or an island like Fiji or something like that. I don't think they would take that, but pretty much anywhere else in the world, as you can see, U.S. and Canada here too. And what is the sign-up process? Sign-up's quick and easy. Just enter your email address on this page, which I showed you up at the top up there, right? And then complete a sample test. And then once you're approved, you can start taking real tests and earn real money. Now, we come over here to their frequently asked questions for testers. And it says here, do I have to pay to be a user tester? And the answer to that is no. This site is free. It doesn't cost you anything to sign up to be a tester with this site. And how much do I get paid, and when do I get paid? We talked a little bit about that a moment ago, but we'll see here. Testers get paid $10 for each completed test and up to $60 for a live conversation with a customer. A test consists of a 20-minute recording and answers to 4 follow-up written questions. A live conversation requires you to get on a video conference call with a customer at a scheduled date and time, and then payments are made daily for tests completed 7 days earlier. And then how soon will I be able to start doing paying tests? It says if your sample test is approved, you'll start receiving emails notifying you about testing opportunities. And then new tests are posted daily on this site as well. And what kind of device do you need? You can use either a PC or Mac that meets these requirements. Well, these are basic requirements here. Windows 7 through 10, at least 1 gigabyte of RAM and 600 megabytes of available disk space, or RAM. 1 gigabyte of total RAM and 600 megabytes of available RAM. Okay, so how to 1 gig of RAM if you got 600 megs available? Basically, your PC, if you've got a newer PC within the last 5 years, it's going to cover all these minimum requirements To really be worried about this, you'd have to have a computer that was about 20 years old. You know, back when they only had like 1 gig of RAM anyway, and it was you had back then, I think it was what, 100 meg hard drive. I think those back then. Now the newer computers today, even one that's 5 years old, is going to more than meet any of these requirements right here. I'm sure. I've been about 100% positive of that. And the same with a Mac. You want OS 10.7 or higher, and a gig of RAM or better, 7 gigs of free disk space, and so on and so forth. And then for your mobile test, it's either an iPhone or Android phone. Okay, so that's pretty minimum requirements on those devices. And it says here, do I need a microphone to be a tester? It says yes. If you don't own a microphone, you can get one here. Here's an expensive one that we recommend, and it's got a link to click here. So if I click and open this up in the new tab, of course it takes us over to Amazon. You see this headphone and microphone here. It's similar to what I have right here. This one right here, pretty much the same thing as you see. And this one here on the site here at Amazon is only, what, $11 to have it shipped to your house. Looks like free shipping on that. Well, maybe it's got some shipping with it or something too, probably. But if you're a Prime member, it's free shipping over. Well, it's not either. Free shipping on 25 or free 2-day with Amazon Prime on that. That's it. So free shipping with Amazon Prime member. Anyways, so you'll need a headphone microphone there, not expensive. And then do you need to download anything? The answer is yes. You'll need to download their screen recorder onto your computer when you become a tester. That's just their application to allow you to do screen recordings similar to a video recording software like this one I'm using here right now. But they have their own software for that, it looks like. Is PayPal the only way to get paid? Answer is yes. Are my payments taxed? Usertesting does not withhold any taxes from payments. Testers are responsible for paying any tax liabilities. So that answer to that would be no. The taxes are on you. It's your responsibility. And then how do I apply to be a tester? It's the application process simple. Complete a short sample test and fill out some basic demographic information. And if I click this link, it's just going to take us right back to the same page, which is right here, and it just takes your email address to sign up and get started, and click the box there to check on their terms of use and privacy policy. Okay, well guys, that's what I had for you today. A quick video on this great site here where you can make some extra money, up to $60, testing websites and applications for Usertesting.com. Alrighty guys, well if you like this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click that bell also. And if you want to see a affiliate marketing business where you can make a lot of money in affiliate marketing and get over $3,600 worth of bonuses, reach down there below in the video where it says mentorwithkev.com. Read the paragraph above it, tell you what all you get for that, and follow that link and get signed up, and you can do the free business challenge, or you can take the monthly pro access at $29.95 a month. Okay, there's plenty of other videos down there in the description below to help you out as well, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next video. Okay, you guys take care and have an awesome day today. All right, bye bye now.